going to regale us with something so unique. Shraddha Kapoor, ladies and gentlemen. Ajit, we've all grown up watching Disney. It's magical, it's so beautiful and somehow heartwarming for us कि generations के लिए Disney आज भी उतना relevant है. And I want to ask you, what is the key कि they managed to be this relevant, this beautiful even today? क्या है ये?
I think you said it all right. Uh, the moment we see a Disney film, we are all transformed to these magical kingdoms of innocence or warmth. I think one of the things that they do really well is this whole stunning visual imagery, which is something we are all fanboys, fangirls of. But I think more than that, these films come from a very strong heart, you know. And what better film to talk about than Zootopia? Because Zootopia is, guys, every bit a classic Disney film, right? It takes you into this warm, magical animal kingdom where you want to sort of get lost. But at the same time, if you know watch the film, it's got something very serious to say. So it makes you look inwards, and I think that's the quality with most of the Disney films. But if I have to pick one today, which sort of wears it really beautifully, I think it's Zootopia.
Wow. Also the fact that you had Mufasa and Inside Out too, which I loved by the way. And again कि उनको आपने एक इंडियन ढांचे में डाल के सारे ऑडियंस के साथ वो कनेक्ट रखा, ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज होता है. ये आज के ज़माने में to make a global film into a locally relevant one, how do you manage to do this consistently? और ये important क्यों है, ये कैसे हो जाता है ये मैटर?
So let me give you some perspective, okay? Because बात समझ में आती है जब हम एक दो examples लेते हैं. So चाइना में जो फिल्म है Avatar, Zootopia उतना ही बड़ा ब्रांड है. Can you imagine this?
Oh, guys, let's
It's
clap
as
for
big as that. And in India, you know, Avatar is the big one, and Zootopia is got a big journey to go. Now the point is, when you have such a lovely, heartwarming product, which is a universal story, which is for family, kids, which makes us kids, all of us, how do you really sort of get it across to this culture, this audience? And that's where comes our own industry, our own stars, our own people who we have affection for, who become a very very important ally for us. And this is something we've been doing. Like Shah Rukh, we had in Mufasa. Then we had done Pariniti and Priyanka in Frozen. You know, Inside Out 2 also we had Ananya. So I mean, we have had our little hall of fame of Indian star talent, sort of headlining and helping these films reach a much wider audience. Really, that's really what we're doing here. And all we need to do is find a perfect fit, and then the rest is really, hopefully, a task which sort of does itself.
Judy Hopps, ladies and gentlemen, we're here for Judy Hopps. Let's put our hands together for Shraddha Kapoor. She entertains us at every level, every day, in her own sweet way and her simplistic ways, and yet such a star girl. What a star! And to have her perfectly cast for this, what an amazing job! I must say, Ajit.
Actually, very easy job, because I remember when we watched the whatever print we get this print way in advance. I was walking out and with Rudro, and both of us turned and we said, Shraddha, you know. So I said, Rudro, you run with this now. And yeah, here we are. I mean, it was a perfect fit, because actually, honestly, if you have my way, I would rather make a Hindi version with Shraddha in it as Judy Hopps. You know, we have to remember this is only the voice. Maybe we'll get there at some point in time. But yeah, I think she brings in a certain, attitude, a certain spunkiness, a sort of standing for her own in this sort of world, which is what Judy is all about. And I think therefore it was a great fit, and I'm sure you will hear from her how she enjoyed being
Bilkul.
the character.
Should we call her on stage, everybody?
Very much.
Let's have Judy Hopps on stage. Shraddha Kapoor. my God, where do I start with you, girl? Where do I start with you? आपकी पहली डिज्नी मेमोरी क्या है? वहाँ से शुरू करते हैं.
Hi everyone. कैसे हो? मजे में? मस्त एकदम. बड़ा है? क्या बात है? Superb. यार मेरी first Disney memory. I think कि all of us over here have so many Disney films because every other animated film is a Disney film when you're growing up. So I feel like for all of us, and not just me, I think I can speak for everybody in this room, all our earlier years, all our growing up years have been about Disney films. And Bachpan has been spent in that, and that's exactly how it's been for me as well. And that's why it's been so special to lend my voice for a Disney film because बचपन से जुड़ी हुई यादें हैं तो it just becomes that much more special. For me, I think I don't know. There are so many, but if I have to say, do I have to pick one or two?
कोई भी जो अभी बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैश हो रही है आंखों के सामने क्या है वो?
Can you guys guess which? वो भी है. वो भी है. हाँ? See, okay, at the end of the day, I think that every girl can relate that Cinderella is definitely very, very close to my heart. है ना? Do we all relate? I mean, like, yeah, Cinderella, and then you grow up and you're like, you know, you want your dream to come true, and I think it's so relatable. So for me, it'll definitely be Cinderella, and also Snow White is also a very, very close one to me. But yeah, so many memories, and I have to say a big thanks to my parents for letting me watch all of the Disney animated films
I should also thank them.
while growing up, and you know, really making it a part of my childhood.
What about Judy Hopps? क्योंकि she's perky, she's fun, she's also feisty like you. कुछ ऐसा special relation लगा जब आपने you took this up and you found this magic within you?
मैं आपको बताऊँ exactly as आपने बताया, I felt a connection with Judy Hopps. मुझे लगा कि यार काफ़ी सारे similarities हैं मुझ में और Judy Hopps में. मुझे लगता है कि हम we both have our head on our shoulders, and यहाँ पे now I will, how do you say good things about myself and Judy Hopps also. So we both have our heads on our shoulders, and I could also really relate to the fact that वो ना एक एंथू कटलेट है. तो मतलब वो जो भी करती है वो इतने enthusiastic बन के करती है, और she is very, how do you say, she is, जब उसको authoritative बनना होता है वो बनती है, जब उसको soft बनना होता है वो बनती है. तो I feel like to lend my voice to this character was a lot of fun. And also जब बचपन में आईने के सामने बैठ के, मुझे पता नहीं आप सबने ये किया है कि नहीं, पर मैंने तो बहुत किया जब मैं छोटी थी. मैं और मेरे भैया, हम दोनों मतलब अलग अलग वॉइसेस में एक दूसरे से बात करते थे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू इमिटेट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो, एंड वी यूज्ड टू imitate a lot of people in our schools and a lot of people around us and all of that. तो ये सब टाइम पास हम सब करते थे. तो now to actually lend my voice for Judy Hopps, it's a lot of fun. I think my entire family is also very excited about this, I have to say. Because it's something so fun to do.
And Star Studio 18 and with Zootopia 2 एक association of बन गया है. That must be something super special for you as a professional as well, है ना? कैसा था?
I also have to say that for me this has been, I have to say thank you for giving me this experience, because dubbing studio में जाके जब आप खुद के लिए आवाज़ दे रहे हो ना, and for any character that you're playing, it's very different. And for me to give my voice for a bunny, and a bunny who is really cool, who's really lovable,
Bunny who's funny
and
also, actually.
who's funny and who does a lot of masti and a lot of dhamal. I have to say it was such a fun experience. जिस तरह से आपको अपनी आवाज़ को मॉड्यूलेट करना होता है, you have to really be able to scale the entire spectrum of what you can do. And उसमें ना मतलब एक छूट मिलती है तो so that was a lot of fun for me, really a lot of fun.
Then should we actually share what you have?
Should we?
Yeah?
Should we go for it? Promo हो जाए? Let's go for it.
All right, guys, here we have it. A special presentation for everybody who loves Shraddha, and now as Judy Hopps in Zootopia 2. Woohoo! Superstar में डरते हुए. Actually, have the chairs.
Actually, हमारा एक किस्सा है इमिटेशन का ना, आपका और मेरा. तो she has already experienced me imitating someone, and after that I didn't go back to school. So
Teacher
because it was everywhere.
वो वायरल हो गया था बहुत.
तो हाँ.
टीचर थी ना आपकी?
Yes.
What she was asking you to not keep quiet.
Then after that I didn't go back to school.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for your questions. But before I come to them, what's the most relatable character Judy Hopps का आपके लिए?
So there are lots of, I think, characteristics. I think कि उसको गाजर भी बहुत पसंद है, मतलब वो फूडी है. मतलब वो फूडी है. और I think that apart from that, I can relate to her is the enthu cutlet aspect. If I'll be very honest with you, because I also know कि if something really excites me, and if I'm in that go mode about something, then you know even I get very positive about it, and I'm like, come on, let's do this and let's go for it. And I think that that is something similar about us.
जूडी के अलावा और कौन से कैरेक्टर आपको बहुत पसंद आते हैं इन ज़ूटोपिया?
यार मुझे बहुत गैरी ना बहुत क्यूट लगता है. आई थिंक ही इज़ अ वेरी वेरी लवेबल स्नेक, एंड वो इतना प्यारा है. उसकी आंखें और उसका एक जो टूथ है, आप एक उसका प्यारा सा दांत देखते हो तो इतना क्यूट लगता है वो. तो आई थिंक ही इज़ वेरी वेरी स्वीट.
अगर जूडी मुंबई के ट्रैफिक में फंसती, जो वो फंसती, तो और उसके ड्राइविंग स्किल्स तो उनके क्या बोले, और आपकी गाड़ियाँ तो हम क्या कहें. बताओ अगर जूडी ट्रैफिक जाम में फंसती तो वो कैसे क्या बोलती? अब श्रद्धा हमको बताएंगी. नहीं सॉरी, जूडी हमको बताएंगी.
अगर जूडी ट्रैफिक में फंसती
हाँ,
तो वो एक्चुअली
क्या बोलती?
वो लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन है. वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेती सिचुएशन को, चुपचाप बैठती वहाँ पे और शायद एक गाजर खाती.
पर कुछ तो बोलती भी ना. आप जूडी स्टाइल में बोलो थोड़ा, तो हमको वी वांट टू हियर.
वो मैं बचा के रखती हूँ.
ओके फाइन, ओके
हाँ, वो बनी पे आता ना, मजा आता है फिर.
ऑलराइट, दीस आर योर क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू फॉर योर क्वेश्चंस. तो सबसे पहली बात, वो बड़ी एक्सप्रेसिव आंखें, ऑन स्क्रीन एनर्जी, सब कुछ दिख रहा है, मैच हो रहा है जूडी हॉप्स के साथ. बट अगर उनकी एक नॉन स्टॉप एनर्जी, जज्बा और डिटर्मिनेशन के आगे अगर एक चीज़ आपको इस एक्सपीरियंस में एज एन एक्टर, एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन बहुत फुलफिलिंग लगा, वो क्या था?
बहुत ही मज़ा आया टू बी एबल टू मॉड्यूलेट with my voice. And मतलब आप तो ये हर वक्त करते हो, and we were just, Ajit and I were also just talking about how beautiful your voice is and how energetic your voice is. And मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया to be able to play this character. And when you see the film also, there are certain things in certain ways in which she speaks, और अलग अलग तरीक़ों से वो अपनी आवाज़ को मॉड्यूलेट करती है. जब बहुत गुस्से में होती है वो कैसे बात करती है, जब मजाक कर रही होती है तो कैसे बात करती है. तो टू रियली एक्सप्लोर ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड टू हाउ डू यू से, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक भी है, एंड शी इज़ वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड वेरी लवेबल. सो आई हैव टू से ऑल्सो आई वाज इन सच अ गुड मूड व्हेन यू नो आई वाज जस्ट हैप्पी व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग इनटू द डब स्टूडियो एंड डबिंग. So I really enjoyed that. I think to be able to bring out a character just with your voice, and also it's not that it's my voice. Of course it's my voice, but you have to be the character's voice, and you have to make sure that you're bringing out those specific personality traits and that specific kind of intonation and modulation.
I want us to, for a moment, Shraddha, you and me, clap for some of the beautiful people in this ऑडियंस टुडे, उन जिनमें से हमारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो छोटे शहरों से आके इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें कर चुके हैं. We want to clap for you because that's exactly who Judy Hopps is. Nobody thought she could do what she did with her life, and I know many of you have done that. है ना?
That's true also. She has this attitude which is, I mean, you can't tell me what I can't do. And that attitude is very, I think it's inspiring for all of us. It's inspiring for me also. And at the same time, you know, she retains her softness also about herself, which is really nice.
That is your superpower, and I know that I've told you कि कितनी प्यारी चीज़ों के लिए आपका दिल धड़कता है, despite you being, you know, up there in the sky, shining like a star for us, and still shining your light upon every small and big thing that touches your heart, है ना? I know she's saying ये क्या हो रहा है अच्छू? You know, all girls can relate to Judy for that righteousness. जो मुझे ऐसे लगता है हम we are born with it at some level. लेकिन जैसे मैंने कहा कि छोटे शहरों से आके ये बड़े सपने जो वो पूरे करते हैं, आपके लिए has there been a personal anecdote where you've seen people like that around you and got inspired? Because by the grace of God, आपके लिए वो एक setup था. You had a family who was already there in that sense. You just had to inspire yourself. But do you feel you saw someone and felt, wow, this is so inspiring? ऐसा कोई था आपके आसपास?
No, of course, I feel like, I mean, even be it at home, be it learning from my father, his entire journey, how he came from Delhi, he came from a non-filmy family and all of that, that is a separate thing. I mean, आप जो पूछ रहे हो around me all the time, I think that, you know, me being an actor, actors are in the front of everything, right? They are on the poster, they come and talk to everybody, they give interviews and they interact with everyone. But the thing is that nobody who is in the front is able to do what they do without everybody who's at the back.
Yeah.
And it's not possible only, and that
Team
is
effort.
absolutely, and nobody can do anything alone. And कोई कुछ अकेला नहीं कर सकता. There is always a force and there is always an entire team of people around them. There are people who inspire them all the time. And for me also, I'm constantly surrounded by people who I'm very grateful to be surrounded by, who are in my life. Because without them, I have a very long list. Very, very long
so
list.
sweet.
Absolutely, because I
think आपके लाइफ में Nick Wildes बहुत हैं.
you know, I feel like definitely my entire family is there, who, you know, they've been my pillar through and through. But I also have to say that people who I work with also, you know, people who instill their faith in me and say
Yeah.
that, you know, okay, let's make this movie together or let's do this together. It's a big deal, and it's something that I really, really cherish.
Judy Hopps जो है वो अपनी लाइफ को redefine करती है. She's constantly in the know of कि अच्छा मैंने शायद यहाँ गलती कर दी, ये कर दिया. She's very self-aware. Have a personal Judy Hopps moment of your life.
But actually, let me come back to your question. If I had to pick my real life Nick, I would say that I have a few Nicks, and that's my mom, my dad,
Yeah.
and my brother.
Yeah.
I would say that they are my Nicks in my life. And a real life Judy Hopps moment.
है?
अरे काफ़ी सारे हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि you know, to be an enthu cutlet about something.
हाँ.
I was an enthu cutlet about coming here also today because I was very excited to meet everybody and you know, to talk to all of you. So I think that I have a Judy Hopps moment every single day.
You've done so many inspiring characters, and some of them even had negative shades. उनमें से ड्रॉ करके इस वॉइस में लाना, उसमें ढालना, कुछ आपको याद आती है कि शायद यहाँ से मैंने कुछ पिक किया, यहाँ से मैंने कुछ पिक किया?
मैं आपको सच कहूँ, I think where I really drew inspiration from was from my बचपन.
Okay.
I have to say, जो बचपन से वो अंदर, I think I really subconsciously wanted to give my voice for an animated film.
Oh.
And when this happened, I was just like, अभी
Yes.
मज़ा आने वाला है. And so I think that it's my childhood. I think a part of my childhood has been complete by, you know, being a part of this film.
And it's a $1 billion beautiful franchise, Zootopia 2. it must be a bit of a show-off moment कि boss मैं animated movie का हिस्सा हूँ, Disney movie
You
का.
know, what I love about Zootopia, very honestly, is the fact that, you know, although it's an animated film, it has a really wide appeal.
Yeah.
You can take your kids, you can take your friends, your family, and you know, they have these little lessons in them and these themes which, you know, everybody can relate with. So that is something that I really liked, and in a mazedar way, you know, you're watching an animated film and you go back happy.
So all the fans and all our wonderful friends from media, कुछ message है आपके लिए as Judy Hopps, as Shraddha, what would you like to tell them?
To say कि अभी हाँ कौन
अरुण पूछेगा?
अच्छा पहले मैं मैसेज दे दूँ चलेगा मेरा मैसेज जस्ट यही है कि पहली बार आई एम lending my voice for an animated film और मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया and I hope that you know all of you enjoy it as well and it feels really nice that animated films are growing year by year in India and you know all of us and our families are loving it so I'm really happy to be a small part of that.
And जैसे बचपन में आप और आपके भाई वो आईने के सामने खड़े होके देखते थे, क्या Zootopia 2 आप पूरे परिवार के साथ जाके देखोगे फ्रेंड्स को लेकर?
Definitely. I think that my family will also be very excited to see how Judy Hopps is in my voice.
Absolutely. 28th November, Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu. Should we watch the trailer now, guys? Yeah?
Yes.
Let's do this. Come, Shraddha. क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे आपकी मैजिकल आवाज के लिए as Judy Hopps हैं, can we have you say something as Judy Hopps to our?
Yeah, I think let them enjoy it on the big screen. है ना with the bunny. Just family को लेके जाना, दोस्तों को लेके जाना, मजेदार पिक्चर है, enjoy it and go and watch it. That's all.
Okay, and here's a Shraddha, we want you to stand here. Your last picture. Thank you.
Zootopia 2 in cinema halls, 28th November, Hindi, English.